What is going on YouTube? Hey, Mike making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Also, guys, don't forget today is the last day to enter the Amazon free gift card giveaway. All you have to do is comment down in the description, subscribed, as well as comment giveaway. Comment those two things, and you'll be entered for a chance to win one of these gift cards for free. Now, remember, with that being said, I'm going to pick one random video from the past week, which means you have like 6 different opportunities. So you can go back on my previous videos and comment on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday's video. And today, Saturday, comment, subscribe, and giveaway for a chance to increase your odds at winning this giveaway. So it's going to be very cool. Make sure to check it out. If you're not subscribed, then obviously you won't be winning this, as I will be checking. So make sure to do that ASAP. But with that being said, what we're going to be looking at in today's episode is pretty much covering what we discussed yesterday. You can see in yesterday's video here with the title, you can see Thanksgiving breakout. Are we actually starting to see that reversal out of the markets here? You can see I clearly showed that we were breaking outside of the bull flag formation, the 5th bull flag formation on XRP. But I said, do not be fooled by this breakout that we're starting to see. And hopefully you listened up and kind of learned why that kind of makes sense here, because we're already starting to see that turbulence take flight today. As we've played out from yesterday here, we confirmed closure above here. We said, this is a bit earlier than we figured here. We're probably going to have some rejection, and you can see we're already getting caught up with the moving averages here. And here we go with prices kind of flatlined out right at that moving average. So we need to see whether or not we break through this before we put any money in with the expectations of a reversal to the upside here. Because as you can see, we're kind of having a problem zone right now. So until we can get through that moving average on the 4-hour charts here, then we'll be able to take advantage of that run. But beyond and besides XRP, we're also going to be looking at Ethereum here, which is clearly rejecting off its top resistance. However, we did break through it, so there's definitely a good sign there. You have Bitcoin, which is still consolidating, and same thing goes with the S&P, which yesterday pretty much was flatlined out yet again, which makes total sense. Now, with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, first and foremost, top 10 cryptocurrencies markets are pretty much consolidating. Nothing's really changed, down about 0.19% here, and markets for the most part are pretty smooth. Sideways trading across the board for almost all the major cryptocurrencies here, and that's with good reason, as we've pretty much had a very volatile past couple of weeks here, especially for XRP here. I mean, if we go back even earlier, you can see all of October was just moonshot, moonblast explosion here. And then November was consolidation as we were forming our 5th bull flag formation here. You can see the lower high, lower low movements, the stair-stepping pattern. You can see that clear as day here as we are starting to consolidate downwards. And only recently did we start to break out of this. And that's what we're going to talk about in a little bit. But you can see here, as I zoom out, we've had not, one, not two, not three, not four, but we're pretty much on our 5th bull flag formation, consistent patterns happening over and over and over again here. So here we are doing that same thing yet again. The only difference is we're kind of breaking out of it a bit earlier than anticipated. Now, I thought maybe we could move these charts, tweak the charts to include it. I just don't think that's going to work. In this position here, we did legitimately break through it. It's just, when are we going to get that volume injection that we're all patiently waiting for? And that pretty much comes to this area right here. We need to break through this moving average on the 4-hour before we see any sort of big swings to the upside here. Once we can confirm, closure above the 4-hour resistance, which I'll just draw right here, and then we'll jump to the daily. You can see the daily charts, we look plenty good to keep pumping to the upside here. We have a beautiful bull flag formation. We've clearly bottomed out. We fell from literally 71 cents all the way down to 56 cents here, reversed all the way back up to 61, 62 cents. We've actually confirmed closure outside of it here. We are consolidating, but we are waiting patiently for a breach above that 4-hour resistance, that price ceiling, and then we'll be able to take advantage of it and long it to the upside. It really all just matters is how are we going to react with this? We can break through that moving average. We can explode to the upside, which honestly might be coming quicker than I thought. I thought we were going to continue to pan this out, play it through. But as you can see on previous candles here, we've done, exactly that, where we didn't actually confirm trending all the way to the bottom. You can see here, right over here, we didn't actually, go all the way to fill this in. We actually broke out right in the middle and then exploded out of it. So it's very possible, and it pretty much At this point, I might even call the breakout happening here. We've already broken out of it. We're kind of just consolidating at this point moving forward. So we're now just waiting for that 4-hour breach above this moving average here, which we'll do pretty soon. I'm pretty certain we'll get above this. I'd be shocked if we fall lower. It's still possible, but I'd be shocked. More so waiting for a breach above this, and then I would expect to see a pretty solid reversal to the upside here. That's just my opinion. Moving forward on XRP. Now, obviously, we'll take advantage of this on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi is the exchange, the only exchange that I would use to trade XRP. And we're literally this close to entering a new trade on BidFi here. The second we break through that 4-hour resistance, like I said in red, we'll be able to leverage it on XRP or on BidFi on it's XRP perpetual trading. You can see we have the chart loaded up right here on TradingView. We can literally create the take profit, create the stop losses. We can take the amount of leverage that we want to use, and everything in between that is literally offered here, long and short. BidFi, which is super cool if you ask me. So get ready, as that opportunity is going to present itself very, very, very soon, and you could take advantage of it on BidFi. More so, BidFi is even offering you a way to earn up to $2,888 completely free by signing up with the link down in the description below. ASAP, getting rewarded for literally doing stuff for free, which I highly recommend. Get that free cryptocurrency before it's not too late. Before it's too late, and before this breaks out. So you can use that free crypto to leverage and capitalize on the run with free crypto. It doesn't get any better than that. Now, they are adding their demo account soon, which again, I really need to talk to them about. That just reminded me here. But moving forward from that and looking at these other cryptos, you can see Ethereum right now is still creating this lower high, lower low movements here, filling in the gap here, but we recently broke through it, and we've now shot up to the upside. Now, we said once we confirm closure above the downtrend, that was an opportunity to buy in on the 4-hour charts here, but the conservative route would be breaking through that price ceiling. This is pretty much it. You can see we've already reversed out of it. This is the cap here. So even though we broke through it here and confirmed closure, and it was an opportunity to get into, it's not too late to take advantage of it again. It's not too late to get into Ethereum, because what we're all waiting for is a breach above its major price ceiling at $2,117. We break through this, maybe 2120. This resistance up here, this would be that opportunity to long it to the upside, and we haven't done it just yet. We've retested it on numerous occasions, but we have yet to break through it. So keep your eyes peeled on that, because once that gets broken, that will be the opportunity to enter and leverage to the upside, which is very exciting if you ask me. Now, looking at something like Bitcoin here, same thing goes with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has a clear price ceiling on the daily, right at about 37,700. Right around that area, 37.9. Once we confirm closure above this on the daily, we close above, that will be the long opportunity. If not, we close below the floor, that would be the opportunity to short down the moving average. But it's very easy. This is a textbook, easy ascending triangle trade. It does not matter which direction we break through, as long as we know when it's going to come. You can see here we have a deadline, but just keep your eyes peeled, because whenever we close a daily above or below this, it'll be the easiest opportunity to buy in and long, or buy in and short it to either direction here. Now, moving forward to the S&P 500. As you guys can see within the S&P 500, we've already broken out of our bull flag formation, a consistent one. Here's the first one that we had, and here's the second one, much bigger, which means we're going to see a much bigger swing to the upside here. We're already starting to peak. You can see in the past year we have peaked on these hills, and I think we're going to start to consolidate back down and then head higher up, as we are becoming overbought. We are literally overbought, which is not necessarily something we can continue to keep doing. So we do need to consolidate a bit longer, and once we're done consolidating, then I would expect to see the markets continue to reverse upwards here. So I'm very happy to see where these markets actually take us, because it's going to be some pretty awesome stuff. But with all that being said, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. Like I said, again, this is the last day to enter the Amazon gift card giveaway here. All you have to do is comment subscribed as well as giveaway to be entered to win. I'll do the free drawing or the random drawing tomorrow, which is going to be super cool. Here you have 6 different ways to, or 6 different times to enter to increase your odds of winning, which is commenting from Monday's video to today's video. So make sure to do that ASAP. If you're watching today, it's free. You might as well take advantage of it. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.